Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nintendo Switch system software and data backup, full guide step by step clearly. To update your Nintendo Switch system software, begin by ensuring your console is connected to the internet. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and access the home menu. Navigate to the system settings icon, which looks like a gear. Scroll down the menu and select System. In the System menu, choose System Update. Your console will check for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Make sure to keep your console plugged in during the update process. Once the update is complete, your Switch will automatically restart. Now, let's move on to backing up your data. Start by accessing the home menu again. From there, go back to the system settings icon. Scroll down and select Data Management. In the Data Management menu, look for Save Data Cloud Backup. You will select the game you wish to back up. Follow the prompts to upload your saved data to the cloud. For added security, you may want to manually back up your user data. Return to the home menu once more. Select your user profile from the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and choose Save Data for your individual game saves. You can also set up auto backup options if you have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Regularly check for software updates and back up your data to ensure your gaming experience remains seamless. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.